Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to add date and time stamp to photos on your Samsung Galaxy A25. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to open the camera application and then click on the settings icon on the left upper corner. Then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named watermark and click on this slider to enable it. Then click on the name of this tab and here you can choose information to show. So here we can add model name, date and time. We are talking about the date and time stamp, so I'll select them and then remove the model name. And here is how it looks. You can also see the demonstration in which is shown how the date and time will be shown here. And you're also able to choose the font and alignment like this. Also, by clicking on the date, here you can choose the format and on the time also. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.